is how you use a dual harness. So once you have your harness on, you can adjust it here accordingly to how loose or tight you want it on. And then you're going to screw in this little screw into your camera. You'll just clip your camera onto the hooks. And then you'll use the other side to do the same thing with another camera. And then you can start shooting with both your cameras. So I really like the harness because it's really simple to use. It keeps your camera safe and secure. You've got like triple the security here, so you can just drop your camera while you're using another one. And it's just really simple and really easy.